Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel.
We're the Get After It family.
I'm with some locals in Maui. Yeah. And now we jump! Jump it!
Welcome to our YouTube channel.
This is what it looks like in transit between accommodation and transport. The kids have got bags on front, on back, and they're just keeping going. Oh. We have just arrived in Maui. We can't quite believe we're here in Hawaii. Abby and I, it's been a place we've wanted to come for many years now, and we're here off to pick up our bags. It's about 9:20. We've gone back 3 hours from Vancouver. So the kids, Rocky slept, the other two didn't sleep at all on the flight. So let's see what tonight and tomorrow morning brings, because they're going to have some tired eyes. But we're here. Rocky, what a hunter.
Whoa, guys!
Hello from Maui. We are in Hawaii now. We are having an absolute ball on day one. Abby and the kids are in the pool, and we've just been snorkeling along this coral here. We're going to go and explore this afternoon, but we're basically having a bit of a quieter day. Canada, the Rockies, Vancouver, it was absolute non-stop. So we've taken a chance now to have a day off. Canada, what a ride, what an adventure. From black bears to mountain tops to cold plunging and road trips. But we are now in, I think we can call it paradise. A bucket list location for Abby and I, and the kids are absolutely loving it. We're on what's called Airport Beach at the moment. Abby and Skylar are out snorkeling over there. I've got the boys here. There's loads of fish hunters shouting. Thank you as always for the support. This is a young project for us. This is early days for the Get After It family YouTube channel. We really appreciate the subscribers, the likes, the shares, the comments. Please do keep following our trip around the world, and we hope you enjoy this episode.
We saw turquoise.
Did you?
Yeah, we saw it.
How far?
Not far. Just over there.
See a pistol?
Yeah.
Hey guys, how are you? Here in Maui. This morning we picked up our hire car and we've come 35 miles round the coast. What are we off to see, Abs? A blowhole.
Blowhole and heart-shaped rocks.
Heart-shaped rocks and a blowhole. The team is here. It's all going well. It's absolutely boiling. We got a bit burnt yesterday. We've all got some incredible tan lines. How are the tan lines, Skylar? You don't have to show them. You don't have to show them. But the tan lines are slightly embarrassing. So we've just walked down into what I can only explain. It feels like you're on Mars. It feels like you're in a massive crater as we head over this way to get to the blowhole. Oh, can I see you?
This is a big one. Oh! I'm gonna get him.
Rocky. Impressions after your first blowhole experience? Are you cold?
No.
No?
It's quite warm outside. So
You're absolutely soaking, and it's just over there, isn't it?
Right, watch, ready?
Hunter, what about you? Blowhole experience? Good?
Yeah.
You enjoy it?
Explain what happens.
What happens?
Well, it shoots up like 100 feet in the air, and you get drenched.
And is it the power of the waves that force it through?
Yeah.
Do you enjoy it?
Yeah. Ask what animal.
Rocky, what animal did you see almost falling in the blowhole?
A crab.
A crab. Did you want to go and save it? Would that have been a bit dangerous? Hey guys, I'm at the Black Rock at sunset, ready for a jump off the cliffs here, and I'm just going to get my way up to the top where these guys are. There are crabs all over the place here. Bit of a climb.
Fuck with the accent, bro.
You like the accent? Jump in with a couple of locals here.
Yeah.
Right at sunset.
Beautiful.
Sunset over here, Black Rock.
Black Rock.
Oh, here's my kids there. Woo! First time in Hawaii, and it's for our YouTube channel.
Oh no way, you have a YouTube channel?
It's the Get After It family. Get After It. The Get After It family. The family over there. I'm on the Black Rock. I'm with some locals in Maui.
Hell yeah!
And now we jump. Let's go, boys! Go! Thank you guys, thank you! What a place this is. This is exactly what I hoped for. It's a little bit of paradise. Huh?
Can you stay stunned?
Yeah.
This is the best. I can't. Alright, ready? Wait till the wave comes. Oh no! Jack!
You okay?
Yeah.
You in your happy place?
Here!
Pretty incredible, isn't it?
This is the dream, Nashi, the dream.
Morning guys, how are you? We are out on adventure today. We're heading to Hana Road to do the awesome road trip there will hopefully be waterfalls and jumps and turtles and everything, but we've just stopped in a little town that is absolutely beautiful, very rustic. Paya Town, apparently.
Right guys, come on, we've only got 7 hours of daylight left. We're wasting time, let's go.
This is Turtle Bay, and we can actually see 2 big turtles from up in the lookout point, so we're running down to have a closer look.
Another waterfall we've run.
Guys, we're at the upper trails of the twin waterfalls, and it is it's spectacular. What do you think, Rocky?
Good!
Rocky, where are we going?
To the upper falls. To the upper falls.
Okay, guys.
Then we can go down. It's so fun. I can do it. It's so fun. Okay, woo!
Okay, in your own time, and then you swim to mummy. 3, 2, 1. You okay? 2, 1. Hey guys, we're the Get After It family. We're in Hawaii. Aloha!
Dad, do me to jump!
Okay, go down.
Sprint!
That'll force them down. That's hard work. Oh.
I can barely stand.
On our Hana Road adventure, we have made it to the lava caves. The guys are currently running around a maze, but we're about to head into the underworld up there, right up there. That point there is a volcano, and that volcano created these lava caves. So let's go and see what this is all about. Is everyone's thumb on their light?
Yes.
Turn the lights off.
You might want to feel
The brilliant thing about the Hana Road is that you just stop in a car park and go for a walk to a waterfall and a swim. We've actually just stopped back that way because there was just this hole in the wall, and it's a lava cave, and it takes you on a little adventure. Check this out. This takes us all the way home.
That's down there.
We've just paid
That's down here.
Yeah, Rocky, you there?
Yeah. Whoa.
Careful.
I'm good.
Rocky, slow down. Quick stop at the side of the Hana Road, and you find paradise like this. So this is our final sunset in Maui, a beautiful island. It's been an absolute dream getting here. It is literally paradise. And next we're on to Honolulu. So we've got a flight out tomorrow.
Dreams that you dream of. Why, oh why can't I